today, and today is the December 2. The reading is for daily reading today for everyone. And I got guys some card today, and my name is Grace. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On anything that you can see, this is already done, shuffle. So this reading is for everyone. Is get your resonate if you can see this. And I'll thank you for the advanced reading and like and watching. And when you see my reading today, and this is for you, connected to you, okay? So this is daily reading, and take only resonate, okay? So this card already I talk is transformation.